Hello everyone, this is Dr. J from LifeSpine Health Enhancement Center. Today I'd like to share with you a new blog article posted to our website that talks about bursitis of the elbow and what treatment options could be for you. Now, bursitis is a condition where the bursa becomes inflamed and irritated and painful. Now, the bursa is a fluid-filled sac that contains lubrication and protection to various joints of the body. Some common areas where this can be inflamed and irritated and become painful are the shoulder, the elbow, and the hip. And this article does focus primarily upon the elbow. And there are many reasons why the bursa can become irritated. Repetitive motions is most commonly the reason behind it. So tennis players can develop bursitis of their elbow from repeatedly doing the same motion over and over again. Also, trade professionals like carpenters or various similar professions that often have to do repetitive striking motions can develop this in the elbow, but also direct trauma to that area, perhaps from a car accident or simply leaning on your elbow for long periods of time can also impact that bursa and cause a pain to happen. Now, your best treatment option is to treat it like any acute injury, and that's with rest, ice, and possibly some anti-inflammatories. That will limit the amount of inflammation and help you feel better. However, whatever the cause is, you have to identify that and work towards eliminating that cause, or at least eliminating the impact that that repetitive motion or stress has upon the joint. And that's, again, where a chiropractor can come in to help. Some joints may be misaligned in the spine, but also in our extremities that can put unfavorable pressures upon the joints and impact the bursa in a negative way, making it a much more chronic condition if it's left untreated. But by properly realigning the joints and restoring the effective motion to those joints, you can, again, take away the stress from the bursa and eliminate that problem from happening repeatedly in the future. So I encourage you to follow the links, visit our website at lifespinecenter.com, and also if you like what you've heard today, please subscribe to our channel. We have regular updates on very helpful, useful information that you can begin to implement today and help those around you. So once again, this is Dr. J from LifeSpine Health Enhancement Center.